Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. So today I'll be sharing with you all the highly requested video on green coffee beans for weight loss. Now what exactly are green coffee beans? Green coffee beans are the unroasted coffee beans. Now why exactly green coffee beans for weight loss? Green coffee beans contain a higher amount of the chemical chlorogenic acid. Now what is chlorogenic acid and how it is helpful? So we'll discuss all in this video today, and how to prepare it and how to consume green coffee every single day to cut your belly fat and also to maintain your weight loss journey. Now, green coffee is one of the best drinks for weight loss in PCOD or PCOS women. It will definitely help you cure your PCOD in days because the chlorogenic acid present in green coffee beans, it helps in minimizing the excessive release of glucose from the liver into blood. So the glucose that travels from liver into the blood is minimized by chlorogenic acid, which is present in green coffee beans. Due to the lack of glucose in the blood, our body starts burning the stored fat cells in order to fulfill its glucose requirement. Thus, pure green coffee beans raise our fat burning capability and eventually help us to shed off the excess weight in days. I have seen immensely great results with green coffee beans and its consumption every single day. It does not taste that good, but definitely will help you cut your fat and melt your fat in days. Now, how to prepare green coffee? All you have to do is, in some boiling water, add 1 teaspoon of New Herbs green coffee beans powder. Now, New Herbs organic green coffee is the unroasted Arabica coffee beans, and it is churned and formed into a powder form. It is powerful in antioxidants and it is a metabolic booster. Now, why New Herbs green coffee? First, it is organic. Second, does not contain any kind of coloring agent to it, and it is in the powdered form so that you can very easily and quickly prepare your green coffee in minutes. Now you can buy New Herbs organic green coffee beans powder at 10% off by clicking the link in the description box below. So go on Amazon and buy New Herbs green coffee bean powder on 10% off from Eat More Lose More. Now how to prepare it? All you have to do is, in boiling water, add 1 spoon of green coffee beans powder by New Herbs. Let it boil for at least 5 minutes straight on a low flame and then strain it in a cup. Have it form as your mid-morning snack or as your mid-evening snack. This drink does wonders to your fat and cuts it and melts it very quickly. It is one of the wonder drinks for PCOD or PCOS women. So definitely women suffering from PCOD should consume this drink at least once a day to lower the glucose levels in the blood and as well as to cure your PCOD very quickly. So go buy New Herbs organic green coffee beans powder for weight loss and fat burning at 10% off from Eat More Lose More by clicking on the link in the description box below. Do try it and let me know in the comment section below how you felt about it and see guaranteed results yourself. And now the exciting part about the giveaway. You can win exciting products for weight loss from Eat More Lose More by commenting below on this video your weight loss stories by hashtag healthy weight loss, and top 10 winners with the best stories will definitely win exciting weight loss products from Eat More Lose More. So with the hashtag healthy weight loss, write your exciting weight loss stories and win exciting weight loss products from Eat More Lose More, and the results will be announced in the next video. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More so you will be notified whenever I post and upload videos on YouTube by clicking on the bell icon. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.